Let's unbox the new Kukirin G2 Master Electric Scooter. Inside the box, you get a set of Allen keys, a little toolkit, and the charger. That's about it. I'll quickly put it together with the Allen key they've sent me, and then we can check out this electric scooter, see if it's actually worth it or not. Right, so the scooter's out the box and fully assembled. I've got to say, I'm actually impressed. The look of it, the quality, it's proper solid. The deck grips are proper insane. Well done, Kukirin. Had to touch it, feel it. No kidding, it's really good. So this scooter's got twin 1000 watt motors, front and rear, with a 52 volt 20.8 amp hour battery. It'll hit around 60 kilometers per hour and should do about 70 kilometers on a single charge. Alright, so the new G2 Master comes with a key ignition to unlock the scooter, and you can switch between single and dual motor drive with D/S button. It's also got 3 speed modes, you just tap the power button to change. In single motor, mode 1 hits about 20 kilometers per hour, mode 2 around 40, switch to dual motor, and mode 3 gets you up to 60 kilometers per hour. Now, the lighting, I'm honestly really impressed. It looks proper cool. You've got the blue LED lights with the Kukirin logo, orange on the front and rear, and a nice clean little headlight up front. That's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned for more details about this scooter. Cheers for watching.